Hi friends, my name is Daejah McCormick and I'm the sous chef here at Methodist Theological School in Ohio. We are home to Seminary Hill Farm, and today I will be showing you how to make a recipe based on the items in your CSA share. Today friends, we are focusing on a massage rainbow chard salad featuring some carrots and yellow onions from Seminary Hill Farm. Today's recipe also requires no cooking, so we lose none of the nutrition that we would in a cooking process. But if you prefer, you could saute them, which is just throwing all your ingredients in a pan with some oil and adding a little bit of heat, because none of this really requires too much cooking. So here we have our rainbow chard. It's going to give you some dietary fiber, some vitamins, and we have carrots here. Carrots are good for your eye health. Onions are said to help with digestive issues. We have balsamic here, and that is good for, believe it or not, acid reflux. Also, you may know this or not, but we do actually need some salt in our diet. I'm sure we get more than enough naturally, because it does naturally occur in our food. Here we have some oil and garlic. Garlic is also good for digestive health and helping with the common cold, prevention of it. We're going to start with our solids first. So that is going to be our rainbow chard, our carrots, and our onion. Okay. Carrots next. Onions. I'm gonna add our garlic next and then mix it in so no one gets a clump of garlic. Next, we'll add our salt and pepper. And we're gonna mix that in as well. And you can add your balsamic or your oil at the same time or separate, just as long as you mix it in. And that is our final product. Moment of truth. So we have another winner. And as always, from all of us here at MTSO and Seminary Hill Farm, enjoy.